Disposable Camera.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay. Before you come into the world, you should know there are things that will hurt and things that won't. Like scraping your knees on the asphalt and the freedom right before you fell, and nobody tells it like it is. They say, isn't it lovely, and buck up, kid, but you learn how to breathe just by doing it, how to dream until you believe yourself, taking a picture to pass the time, a disposable camera and soul rise. You'll be leaning your head in the half-light. What a feeling to be alive. An impossible question the heart will ask. You'll stumble around till the walls collapse, a bird hitting hard on the mirrored glass, looking for something in someone else, and nobody tells it like it is. They say follow the good road and chin up, kid, but you learn how to scream when the train comes in. You feel a weight like you've never felt, taking a picture to capture it, a parade and the emptiness after it. You'll be ultramarine and violet. What a feeling to be alive. Nobody tells it like it is. They say don't rock the boat and shut up, kid. But that big black train is rolling, that deep down scream is growing. A hurricane come howling, a shot heard from the mountain, a blessing and a burden. I swear this will be worth it. Nobody tells it like it is. They say don't blow around on a different wind, but you're gone and you're not even listening. They were wrong and the wind is a living thing, and you're taking a picture you won't forget, something real in the way you remember it. You'll be everything, you'll be riotous. What a feeling to be alive. Ooh. Before you come into the world, you should know there are things that will hurt and things that won't, like scraping your knees on the asphalt and the freedom right before you fell, and nobody tells it like it is. They say, isn't it lovely, and buck up, kid, but you learn how to breathe just by doing it, how to dream until you believe yourself.
Mm.